How to add friends in Roblox. What's up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way on how you can add friends on Roblox. So the first thing you can do is open up the application on your device. You can do this on your PC or your phone. The process is completely the same. Now just make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the friends icon or the party icon at the bottom. And once you get here, you should be able to see all of your friend list. Now, all you have to do here is click on the plus icon at the top right, and you can create a party with your existing friends here. Now, if you want to add new friends, all you have to do is go to your home screen and then tap on this add friends option. You can share your QR code to get request, but in order to search for people, tap on the search bar, search for their username, and then hit enter. Now it will show you guys the username of the person. Just tap on it, and you could easily tap on this add friend option to send them a friend request. It is showing the request is pending. Now if they accept your request, you guys should be able to connect with each other on Roblox. You could do this. You could also add friends from your game. So if you're playing any games, you can go to the menu section, tap on the player that you want to add friends to, and then simply tap on the add friends to add them from the game directly. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.